Hey guys, I'm back. This video is just a little stupid one, okay? It's raining like crazy. My mama's car. It's raining here. I'm all comfortable with my new toy, Little Godzilla. And stuff on the back. TV's there. I am watching The Force Awakens. I just want you guys to see some. Okay, pause. It's raining like crazy here. I don't know. I don't know where we are right now at this point. Just here. I think it's gonna stop raining now. Well, yeah. After the movie's over, I'm gonna text my friend a little bit more, and then I'm gonna take a nappy. Okay, guys. See you. Bye.